The Ben show. Today, guys, today I'm not wearing glasses because today I am. It's no one wearing glasses, so yeah. Today we're gonna unbox the sand. Yeah. So yeah, but let's see in the instructions. It says here that never dries out. That's good. Easy to shape and mold. That's what the kids are doing there, as you see. Your hands stay clean. Yes. No mess to clean up. Sometimes there'll be mess. Use and again. That's a good sign. And this is a bunny. What do you call it? Mold. So look at this. It's color blue. Though my friend teach me, and its name is Alren. So yeah, if you sketch it pretty hard, it'll become soft. So yeah, let's try to mold with this now. You have to press it hard. Okay, I thought this was clay. Guys, look at this final product. Now let me get. There is some molds that are missing right now, so I just know what's. Wait a minute there. I know you can hear your chirping. Where is this thing? Guys, so I can't find those things, guys. So, yeah. So, this is very cool, and yeah. You guys want? This is so cool. No, like yeah. Yeah, they're telling the truth, see? It's not to, like, stick to your hand, but, yeah. One thing I don't like about this, it says that, no mess to clean up, but there's some things are dropping down, so maybe they didn't mention that. They mentioned about you don't have to clean up. So, yeah. So guys, you wonder how is Gilbert doing? He's doing regularly fine. Guys. He is just hanging out there. Wow, he looks like his cage is quite messy today, so, but it's good. Well, yeah. Guys, Christmas is almost coming. Do you want to see my Christmas tree? Yeah. So maybe if I show it in a bigger place, let's see, you can see it. Yeah. So, okay. That's scary a little bit, but yeah. So, yeah. So this is a starter set. It says it never dries out. That's good because it never dries out. Even the sand in whenever you go, or like whenever you go to like any beach. Wow. Oh guys, can you see that? I can see some sparkly spots. I think you cannot see, or you can't see. Yeah, I only can see from here, so yeah. Wow. So let me hold it to something. Let's see. Maybe if I I don't know what to make. So yeah, this is very sad. Okay, remember that says like never, never your hands stay clean. I feel some sandies on my hands. So what kind of product sells this? Like yeah, like this. But that says that no it's just easy to shape and your hands can stay clean. No, actually clean out sandy. So yeah, that's not good. It says no must clean out. There is some sand around here. So yeah. And the only thing in the rules is that is good is never dries out, easy to shape to mold, use again and again. That's the rules, but not the one that says that your hands stay clean, no mess to clean up. Really, because like just like a clay or something. Clay is better. Clay can clean up. Clay sometimes needs to clean up, but cannot clean up. So, guys, there is some tape on. Feathers on my tape. Oh, okay, let's talk to you guys. What is it? Nothing, so, guys. Yeah. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to about 1 million subscribers, guys, and please like and please comment down below what was each video was the best during a days ago. So or you can just vote for this video. Please subscribe and like. Bye bye, guys.